Milk jug. There. Hold it, hold it. He ain't round and collected yet. There we go. Then you get soft. Good job. Again, milk jug. Good. Now get soft. Nice. Hello, welcome to Tim Anderson Horse Training. Today we have
Ilah.
Speak up so they can hear you.
Ilah.
And she is taking a lesson today. We figured we'd record it. She's wanting to start her own YouTube channel. So when she gets her video posted, I'll post a link to it below so you can watch her. She'll be posting YouTube videos of her horse riding lessons, and I guess what else are you going to post on your channel?
Me doing my cows.
Doing cow work. Okay. So when she gets her channel up, I'll post a link to it. Today we'll be recording her riding lesson today. She shows in youth working cow horse, where she does a full reining pattern, and then they put a cow out in the arena and she boxes the cow on the end of the arena. Today we're going to be working on her circle work. Sometimes he flips a lead in the middle of the arena, anticipating the lead change. So we're going to work on giving her some tools to work with to help prevent that from happening, and try to help him not want to do it to begin with. So stay tuned. Here we go. Trot. There we go. Nice trot. Keep going. Milk jug and stay in the trot. Milk jug. There you go. Now get soft. Be close to the bucket. Closer to the bucket. There. Be close to that blue bucket. There. Now look at your cones. Left leg back. Stay in a trot. Push with that leg. There you go. Stay in a trot. Good quality rhythm trot. Good. Let's trot it one more time. There we go. Look at the bucket. Ride to the blue bucket. Pay attention to what we're doing. There we go. Close to the blue bucket. Now look at your cones. Look at your cones. Left leg back. Weave. Weave. Keep that left leg back. There. Good job. All right, you're gonna have to speak up, okay? All right, so while we're letting your horse catch his breath, how was school today?
Meh.
That good, huh?
Yeah. I had some tests.
Some tests?
Yeah.
That didn't go so good?
I made A's.
Well, that sounds good.
Yeah.
You just had to work harder at it than you wanted to?
Yeah, I had PE.
So, tell them what grade you're in.
5th.
5th? You like 5th grade?
It's fun.
It's fun?
My teacher can be cranky sometimes.
No, teachers don't get cranky. Does your teacher get cranky? I hope your teacher don't subscribe to your channel.
It depends.
So, what's your favorite subject in school?
Science.
Science? Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
What you like about science?
Well, it's actually really cool. And
Pick up.
It's really cool, and in 5th grade you actually can do experiments.
Like what kind?
Like today we did an experiment on what could sink and what could float. So she got each of us like a bucket and we'd fill water in it. And she'd give us a golf ball, a baseball, and other objects, and we'd see if they'd float or sink.
Did any of them do something different than you thought they were going to do?
Well, we did baseball, and me and my friend were arguing because one of my friends said that the baseball would sink, and I said it would float. And then I proved her wrong.
It floated?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's neat. You'd think it would have been so heavy it would sink.
Yeah, and it turns out the golf ball sank.
Oh.
And you'd think the golf ball would float.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, let's walk him a little bit more. Let him catch his breath. Just walk one more circle over here. Okay, so this is my 100th video. So I'm going to give away coffee mug. I guess you can put coffee in it and put something else in it. 100 video giveaway. If you would subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and thumbs up, I'll put everybody in a drawing, and I'll ship you a Tim Anderson Horse Training coffee mug or other beverage coffee mug if you choose. So, a little token of a thank you for watching my channel. Good position on the cone. Good, right. There we go. Milk jug. Good. All the way to the blue bucket. Look at the blue bucket. Now look at the cone. Close to the cone. Left leg back. Push and hold. Left leg back. Look ahead. Left leg back. Good. We just need to keep him in a loop next time. That was good. We'll go around and do it again. Keep riding, milk jug. Good. Blue bucket. Cone. Left leg back. Ride. Look ahead. Left leg back. Look ahead. Ride. Lope again. You look down at your horse, and that's why you broke a good trot. You weren't where you needed to be for the cone. Let's do it again. Blue bucket, cone, left leg back, look ahead, ride, there we go, lope again, good. Almost there, good job. Keep going, one more time. Blue bucket, cone, make sure you keep riding. You got to keep telling him to go forward with your body. Left leg back. Good job. Let him walk. Nice, very nice. How is his breathing? Do we need to walk him some more, or can he rather lope him yet?
He's not breathing as bad as he was.
Okay. But you think he's ready to lope some more, or we need to walk him some more?
Let's try walking him around one more time.
Good answer. That's what I was thinking. When you feel yourself kind of bouncing up and down a little bit, that means you need to walk a little bit. What you think? We ready to lope again or not? Or we need to walk another circle?
He's doing better.
Doing better? Think we can lope a circle?
Yeah.
Circle or two? Okay. Walk forward. When you get over somewhere around the mountain block, let's lope up. We're going to do it one more time this direction. And if it goes good, we'll turn around and go the other way. Good, look where you're going. Good job, good job. Let him walk, very nice. Good job. Nice big fast, nice small slow. Another good big fast. Didn't look like he swapped leads or anything. Didn't look like he even thought about it. So, do you remember what we worked on last lesson? What was it?
We were
Pick up so they can hear.
We were working on getting him to slow down a little bit for a small slow.
Slow down for a small slow. And how did you do that? Pull on him a little bit until he got to the speed you wanted. Okay? So I want to add last lesson together with this lesson. Okay? So when you come to slow down in your small slow, I want to see a little bit. I want to see him slow down in a smaller area right here. Okay? You got a few strides right here that we can get that slow down. Okay? That last small slow, he didn't slow down until he was over there somewhere. Okay? So when you get ready to slow down, pull on him, slow and gentle, until you get the speed you want, and then put your hand down. All right? Go ahead and walk a circle or two. He's still breathing pretty heavy, and then we'll do that. Let's do that again. All right, there you go. Good job. Come to the middle and then we'll start our big fast. Big fast. Good, faster. Remember to keep that outside leg on when you're going through the middle. Keep riding, keep going, keep going. In the middle, small, slow. As you slow down while you're going straight. Yeah, good job. Keep it slow. There, good job. Outside leg when you go through the middle, one big fast. Big fast. Keep going. Yeah, good job. Nice. Keep riding, keep going. Keep your speed up to big fast. Stop when you get in the middle. Nice, well on it. Good job. That looks really good. Thank you for watching Ilah's lesson today. I hope you enjoyed it. We're just about out of battery on the camera, so we wanted to do our closing, and then we're going to walk him a little bit more. He's still pretty hot. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button. And if you are already a subscriber, I want to thank you for watching. If you have any comments about the lesson, want to tell Ilah about how good she did, leave a comment below. I guess if you want to tell her she sucked, you can do that too, but I don't think she sucked. I think she did a good job. So, till next time, thank you for watching.